Hi, hello, and good morning, everyone. Newborn investor here, and welcome back to my live day trading videos. I was unable to post my live trades for a while due to various reasons, and a lot of things have changed since then. I ventured into options trading, and so far it has been a great journey. Also, I moved on to Webull for options trading, and I think the platform is cool. I had no problems executing my trades, and I still use my Fidelity account for some swing trading, but majority of my trades are with Webull. Hopefully today turns out to be another great day. So if you're new to my channel, you know what to do. Consider subscribing if you're interested in stock market investing and trading. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Today from pre-market, I'm watching Nvidia and Amazon. Nvidia is popping up on news, and I've identified 3 support levels where I would be a buyer. And Amazon, I'm watching 2 key levels, which is around $3,500 and $3,497. So I'll be watching both Amazon and Nvidia, with Nvidia being my primary watch. So that's the plan going into market open. We do have around 5 minutes to market open, so I'll pause the video for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. The market is open. Watching. Not jumping in. Watching Nvidia. Yep. Selling off as expected. Not ready to be a buyer at this time. Yep, it bounced off those levels. Amazon is making a move. Looking at the different strike prices and the premium. Looking at a cheaper premium with good volume and open interest. Maybe 3,600 is what I'm going with. Volume has to come in. I need to see some strength before buying, but it clearly respected the support level. Now Amazon is doing a pullback. Yep, it bounced off my support level. Missed that. Entry. I need more volume. Looking at a strike price of 3,600. I'm also watching SPY. It's dropping. So maybe Amazon will pull back a little more. Think it's taking off now. Nvidia just bounced off my 3rd support level. So clearly it's respecting the support level, but I don't want to be a buyer at this time, because if it continues to fall, downside is more than the upside. So as of now, my primary watch is Amazon. And I missed my entry. Look at that. The premium has moved from 1150 to 15 in a matter of minutes. Yep. Missed it, but I am now confident with the setup. I'll wait for a pullback around these levels. It should pull back to these levels, and that is where I'll be a buyer. So that would be around $15 or $15.50. So I could clearly see here there is support around $16. That is why I'm moving up my order around 16. It should give a pullback. Placing my order at $16. 8 minutes into market open, no trades as of now. There is enough volume and there is enough open interest. My next ad would be around $14.50 or $15. I'm waiting at 16. I did not get filled. I think I may get filled now. Just knocking at the door. Yeah, I'm filled. 4 shares. Sorry, I'm filled. 7 contracts. I got my full fill. I'll wait. My next ad would be around 15. Not selling. I'm holding. I want to add to my position. Adding. Yep, I'm on 3,000 shares or 30 contracts. Average is 15. So this is a strong candle. As you could see here, the bears are trying to bring it down, but the bulls bought it up. I'm holding. So clearly a good candle. Maybe I'll sell half at 80. I just missed my exit. Waiting. Just giving it some more time. Maybe I'm taking half. Not yet. Still holding strong. If it breaks 17, then there is a huge upside. Yes. Selling half. Another half at 18.50. Now with just 10 contracts, if it breaks 19, then it can test today's high. Maybe I'll just exit. Yep. Great trade. I think I managed the trade well. $9,000 in 5 minutes. I'll take it. It may go high from here, but happy with what I have. Let us look at the fills. So I bought at 16 and bought at 14.50. I sold at 18 and 18.50. The high was around $19. That's okay. Now maybe I'll be watching the other levels. The stock is strong, so definitely it's going to retest day's high, but I'm not a buyer. At this time, I want to pull back to the support level. If it gives me a pullback, I may have a second trade. If not, I'll leave it and I'll move on. So a couple of things here. Why did I take the trade? So I hold it on and I average it in only because I was pretty confident with the setup and it bounced off the support. I got in early because I wanted to build my position, and that's exactly what I did. I got in 10 contracts and then doubled in because the stock was approaching the support level. And it clearly bounced off the support level. As you could see here, we had around 3,520 being the support. I took a strike price of 3,600 because that was the cheapest option with good volume and open interest. This is the premium chart and this is the stock price chart. So if you could see here, when the stock falls, the premium also falls. And if you're a long bias trader, you should be anticipating when the stock is going to rebound, and that is when you would be a buyer of an option call. Because when the stock rises or rebounds, the premium also rises. So it's clearly approaching the support level. It may retest the support level and bounce, but I'll wait. It should bounce off this area, 1350. That is where I would initiate a position. And here you go. Clearly it's bouncing off those levels. And how do I figure out the levels? You just look at the stock price, find where there is support. So pre-market support was around, pre-market resistance was around 3,520. So previous resistance can turn out to be a support. I think I'm happy with what I made in 10 minutes. And maybe that would be it from me for today. Just want to stick on to my profits. I don't want to give it away. Overall, it was a decent day of trading, making $9,947 in 10 minutes. I have no reasons to complain. As I always say, the goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.